You're with BillHamawi, aka Spitroasted, and today I'm going to show you where to place your crosshair in all first-person shooters. Okay, so lesson number one, this is all about crosshair placement, where to place your crosshair so you can make your life easier trying to get a kill. So first things first is a lot of people, they're aiming at the floor, and it is, I don't know how this is still a thing because it's widely known that you should never aim at the floor and that you should always aim at head height. Majority of competition games have an indicator of where the head is going to be. If you look over here, look at this line. That line's an indicator of where the head is going to be. This line's an indicator of where the head is going to be. There's an item over here. This is the indicator where the head's going to be. Over here, you're not going to know. Just imagine an imaginary line. If it's not there, that is where the enemy's head is going to be, right? And you should always put your cursor at this height, where the enemy's head is potentially going to be. If they're crouching, well, you're going to adjust to when they're crouching, but generally it's going to be at head height. The other thing is, you don't want to aim at the floor, at the wall when you're holding an angle. You don't want to aim at the wall. You don't want to aim against the angle. You don't want to hold your crosshair against the angle. You want to hold it 1 to 2 centimeters off the wall, so you can clearly see them coming across into your crosshair, and hopefully you don't even have to adjust your crosshair. They just run in there and you get a free one tap, or you get a free spray kill, or you get a free kill, right? That will drastically increase your potential for getting the frag when someone is on the other side of the wall. So when you're trying to trace around the wall, when you're trying to go around the corner, what you want to do is you keep your crosshair against that wall 1 to 2 centimeters, and not on the wall or not in the wall looking like this. A lot of people do this. They look into the wall and then they turn that corner. What happens is someone's standing over there, you're turning the corner and you get killed instantly because you're not anticipating that they could be there. So you have to hold your crosshair like this, right, and trace the wall that 1 to 2 centimeters. That 1 to 2 centimeters, it is going to be difficult for you to continuously hold it. But say after a week of doing this or a couple of days of doing this, it's going to be ultra easy. It's going to be a habit, and it's going to drastically increase your KDR, sorry. Right, not your assists, your ratio. So that's one thing. You want to keep your crosshair 1 to 2 centimeters off the wall, right? You have to learn jiggling, but that's all about Counter-Strike, Valorant. That's that kind of FPS games. And mind you, all of this that I'm teaching is all relevant to every FPS game. I played Call of Duty at a high level when I was younger. I'm now 31. I don't compete anymore. I play these games for fun, and I don't find Valorant or Counter-Strike fun anymore. It's just a complete chore for me. But these videos are relevant for everyone, right? Make sure you're tracing around the corner, and you're always holding that line. It's like it should be an imaginary line that is there for you. Don't hold it on the wall. It is still good to hold it on the wall, but it's nowhere near as powerful as holding it against the wall. Right, guys? Just make sure you do that. This will drastically increase your crosshair placement, and it will also increase your gameplay, and it will definitely, if you're a lower rank, say you're a gold or you're a bronze or a silver, this is going to drastically help you. Just from one little thing, right? One little thing. If this was helpful, please hit the subscription button and like this video.